out in nature. We have a musician out here playing the flute. Listen, it sounds beautiful. He's hiding in the trees. God, I wish I could play an instrument. I can do a little bit of piano. I know 2 songs maybe. Oh, there he is. Can you see him? God, this is a wonderful world we live in. It's wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Beautiful day in Las Vegas. I don't know if you can see the mountains in the back. We're surrounded by mountains. Beautiful Mountains Edge Park. Sprinklers are on. Hi, they came on while I was out there. I got wet. But the kids are about to run through the sprinklers with jaggers. Okay, here we go.
That one? Okay. But there's 2 pictures going that way.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Jaggers, catch up. Jaggers don't want to get wet. He don't want to get wet, or he's going to try to claim territory, one or the other. Yep, he's claiming the territory. He didn't run with them. He's tired. That's enough. Okay. Thank you for joining us on our Sunday morning in Las Vegas. Out in nature.